Here's how I went from drab to fab in this underutilized space with a Vego elevated garden bed. Urban gardening takes on many shapes and sizes, but sometimes finding the right fit for a small space feels daunting. The Jumbo Series 3x8 elevated garden bed provides an instant visual upgrade that has allowed me to grow big in a small space. I'm Scott from New Garden Road, always out here to inform, inspire, and elevate you. Encouraging biodiversity and restoring habitat is my mission, one garden at a time. Before I installed this new elevated garden bed, this area of my landscape has some unique challenges. It's situated under a large pecan tree, making for a very shady exposure, which means I can't grow all the vegetables and herbs and flowers that I love out in the rest of my garden. But it quickly became a home for my fast-growing collection of shade-loving tropical plants. And each season, as I would take the time to rearrange these plants and bring in some seasonal color and texture, it never quite clicked. Setting up my new 8x3 jumbo elevated garden bed took me about 2 hours, and near the end I started to get really pumped up. I was amped for planting because I love the look and feel of this bed. I did take some time to position it prior to filling because, as you can imagine, when you fill it up with just over 21 cubic feet of garden soil, it's going to gain a lot of weight. Although you can get casters or wheels for these models for seasonal mobility on hard surfaces, this surface is totally organic, it's mulched over, and I decided to deploy some pavers just to limit the ground contact with the raised bed and the soil. And if you're installing your raised bed on a similar surface with a slight grade, you could use those pavers to help level things out. I'm really excited about the elevated style of this raised bed because it provides accessible, strain-free gardening. I'm easily able to work the width of the bed from one side, and the plants are closer to me, so when I come out here in the morning with my cup of coffee, I really get to enjoy my garden to the max. They're 32 inches tall, and with the optional wheels, you're adding a few inches, making for 36. And with 12 inches of soil depth and 15 for the wood grain models, you've got ample soil space for growing a variety of plants. And not to worry, the unique bottom panel structure allows for free drainage so your plants won't drown. These raised beds are offered in classic, slim, or the jumbo size, which I have, and Vego offers several different colors to choose from, and there's also a wood grain option. So you're sure to find the size and style that fits your garden space. The bottom line for me is that these elevated garden beds are a great choice for a deck, driveway, a rental unit, or even under a tree where you want to limit your in-ground planting. One of my new goals for planting in this raised bed was my collection of ginger and turmeric. They love some afternoon shade here in Central Texas, and so I've saved about half of this bed for planting some rhizomes. But of course I wanted some instant gratification, so I had to plant some of my favorite shade-loving ornamentals, the coleus, which come in a variety of colors and textures, and they will even flower as they begin to grow. And I like the caladiums. These will grow big and fill in some of the gaps. And I had to go with one of the family favorites. It really holds a special place in my heart because it's one of my mom's favorite plants, and that is the angel wing begonia. My shady oasis is just one example of how you can grow big in a small space. This 8x3 jumbo model measures 24 square feet. And did you know that if you employ a square foot gardening approach to plant spacing, that means you could grow 24 kale plants, 96 lettuce plants, or 864 carrots? And it's a great way to start small and add on as your garden grows. Make sure you find the link in the description and use my discount code for saving $10 off your very own elevated garden bed. Now check out more awesome gardening videos on my channel. Rude. Yeah. You got messed up. Yeah. Nice. Now check out more awesome gardening videos on my channel. Make sure you like this video and follow New Garden Road for weekly content. You can grow your own food. Keep it organic.